Good day. I'm about to discuss to you Power BI Bookmark Chapter 4. So you can follow me on my FB and then YouTube channel account for updates. Okay, so for updated videos. So that would be Prof Dale for Facebook and then Prof Dale 7 for YouTube. So usually all my demos are in YouTube already. Okay, so please watch. Okay, so for for updated videos, yeah. So going back again, it's Prof Dale 7, and then if you would like for us to help you in terms of creating a system from scratch for programming, you could visit the iMerge IT consultancy. So let's get started with a bookmark. Okay, with the bookmark would be gonna open the Power BI. Okay, I'm using Power BI desktop on my local. Just wait for it. So bookmark is like let's say you are using um, a page. Okay, so on this page, let's say you have a setup or configuration for Luzon, for Visayas, for Mindanao. So that's a complete different um, look for a single page. So with this one, this can be um, 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 okay, this would be a good solution. Approach would be the bookmark. Okay, here. So gonna use the test Power BI file. Wait for it. There. Just wait. Okay. Okay. So here, for example, okay, gonna add something here. Edit query. Mm-hmm. Okay. So gonna click source here on the applied step. So let's say I add a column here. Let's say location. Okay. So this is for Luzon, and then let's say this is for Visayas, and then this is for Mindanao, and then this is for Visayas. Okay, so click OK. So I intentionally added a column location, then having the 4 values for this one. Okay, so for this to be saved, just click here, close and apply. So the table is different from the previously apply changes structure. A while ago, it's like it contains only 4 columns. Right now, it has already a location. Okay, so there you are. So it's perfectly been done. It's finished. So now let's say create. So right now I'm gonna create a main menu. Okay, main menu. Okay, so this main menu has let's say 4 tables, 4 button. Gonna insert a button here, a blank one there, and then let's say gonna copy this one, copy, copy, copy. Okay, so let's say there. So this is for example, this is for Luzon. Okay, so now this would be for okay Visayas, and then this would be for this one Mindanao. Okay, so look, so this one, let's say this is employee. Okay, so this slicer, I'll just delete this one, remove. So let's say I would like to see all the employee on the location, let's say specific, let's say Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, automatically without doing some update on the page. Okay, after um, let's say you go through with a page and then you're gonna do a filter. No, so I want it to be the moment I load the page, it will appear already the Luzon. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a location here. There you are. Okay, so instead of having the employee name here, just put it here. Oh no, I just get a card here. Okay, so this card will show you, display the location. Okay, there intentionally. So there you are. So here, go in the menu. Okay, so we'll be using a bookmark. For example, we'll be using a pagination here. Okay, so with this one, I need this one to be let's say, I'll be using a location filter. Okay, filter would be slicer. Okay, slicer would be location. So I'm gonna, instead of using it as a list, I'm gonna use it as a drop down. So let's say Visayas. Okay, so that would be the fixed value. I need this one to be displayed as Visayas. So I'm gonna program this one Visayas. This one title Visayas, good. So I'll be using this action, enable this one to go to employee information. Okay, so page navigation and then go to employee information. The moment I go through with this one, imagine, look at this. Okay, so Visayas. Okay, so it's the same thing, right? So let's say I go back to the main menu, and then what if I'll gonna change this one to Luzon. Okay, so look, so I'm gonna prepare this one as Luzon. So here the action would be enable this one on, and then go back to page navigation, and then go to information. Okay, so I want this one to change. The moment I click this one, it redirects. See, so it's Visayas, it's still Visayas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a process called bookmark. So here I'm gonna go back. Okay, so let's say this one, let's say gonna create how to create a bookmark. So let's say for Luzon, I click this Luzon, right? So and then on the view, choose bookmark. Okay, so on the bookmark you click this add one bookmark and then rename this one. Let's say this is for Luzon bookmark. Okay, so we're gonna press this one update. Okay, so every time you choose this bookmark, it will display the filtered value of Luzon. So let's say you want to see the filtered value of Mindanao, so we're gonna add again a bookmark for Mindanao. Okay, there, so there, and then let's say I'll add a for Mindanao. Okay, so right click update, then for Visayas, of course, add another bookmark. Okay, so with a bookmark with this one, I'm gonna update this one. Okay, so there, so all the bookmark has been fixed. So let's go back on the main menu. So instead of using the pagination, we're gonna choose the bookmark effect. Okay, so with the bookmark, go to action, and then instead of choosing page navigation, you're gonna choose bookmark for this one. So bookmark would be for Luzon, of course, it's Luzon. For Visayas, of course, it's Visayas. Okay, and then last would be, let's say this one. I'll change this one to, okay, it's not operating, so you need to enable it first. Bookmark there, so choose Mindanao. Okay, so I think we're done with this one, and then let's say I'll choose Luzon, it will go to Luzon. If I choose Visayas, say there. Okay, So I think it's not, this is not updated, so you're gonna choose this one to Visayas. Okay, so right click update. Okay, so going back again on the main menu, let's say gonna choose Visayas. There, Visayas. And then let's go back again, let's say Mindanao. There, it's Mindanao. So that's how bookmark works. So that's the difference between a bookmark and pagination. Okay, so I'm gonna end my discussion about bookmark. Thank you and have a nice day.